The Oraimo Boompop 2 headphones have arrived, and it comes with a long list of amazing features such as multi-point connection, powerful and punchy bass with big battery life. I've been using this Oraimo Boompop 2 for the past 4 months now, and there are a lot of things you are going to love about this Oraimo Boompop 2. Without wasting much of your time, Babatunde Omotao here. Let's talk about this guy. Let's get down to business. First of all, let's talk about the price. The price of this Oraimo Boompop 2 headphones here in Nigeria is 29,200 naira, which is equivalent to about $19 as of the time of making this video. You can get it cheaper by using the code BRACKET during your order on Oraimo eShop website, and you are going to enjoy a 5% discount instantly. This applies to Ghana, Kenya, Morocco, and Nigeria. So you can use it to buy anything from Oraimo also, and you're going to enjoy 5% discount. Thanks for using the discount code, and let's continue. As for the unboxing of this Oraimo Boompop 2 headphones, I've done that in the past, so you can check up there in the cards above to see for yourself. So I won't be going over that in this video. Moving over to the color side, you can only get this Oraimo Boompop 2 headphones in black. I wish Oraimo give us these Oraimo Boompop 2 headphones in different colors like red, powder blue or navy blue, gray or white. All those colors will be very good for someone to pick from. But we have just black here, and I can't complain because black is also one of my favorites, and it actually made this accent to come out very well. It popped up in that way. With that being said, we want these guys in different colors. Please, Oraimo, look into that. Talking about the connection of these Oraimo Boompop 2 headphones, they are featuring Bluetooth 5.3 version, which is good for today's standard. And also, they have SBC and AAC as their audio codecs, which means that you can connect this guy up to your iPhone, your Android, be it Samsung, Infinix, Tecno, whatever smartphone you are using out there, they are going to work fine and connect seamlessly with these headphones. On the headphones themselves, you'll see a 3.5mm headphone port for listening through the included auxiliary cable. And one feature you need to know about this guy when it comes to the connection department is that this Oraimo Boompop 2 headphones comes with multi-point connection, which means that you can connect it to 2 devices at the same time. That is, you can connect it to your laptop for music and your smartphone for calls. And when you have call, you can pick up your call, and once you are done, it will switch back to your laptop for music. You can use it anyhow you want it. You can use it between 2 smartphones or laptop and smartphone, tablet, phone, just name it. It works with 2 devices at the same time. This guy comes with a sort of passive listening feature. That means that you can use this guy as a wired headphone, just the way you use wired headphones. First of all, the Bluetooth will shut down when you connect it to this auxiliary cable, and also the multi-point connection will be disconnected. Now, once you have done that, as in you have connected the auxiliary cable to this guy, it's going to work like your wired headphone. You can use it to make calls, you can use it to listen to music. So, not all headphones out there have this feature. Some will just shut off and you need to switch it on and off again. But in this case, this guy can just be used as wired. Now, when it comes to the Bluetooth range of this Oraimo Boompop 2 headphones, Oraimo claims that you are going to get 10 meters. But during my testing, I was able to get 12 meters in an open field. So, if you are going to be using it in an office setting where you have blocks or wall between you and the connected device, then this is going to reduce. I think that you should also have at the back of your mind. Now, let's talk about the latency side or lag side of this Oraimo Boompop 2 headphones. When you are using these Oraimo Boompop 2 headphones to listen to music or movie streaming apps like Amazon Prime, Netflix, Hulu, you won't notice any lag on this guy. And also, if you are a casual gamer that is playing Candy Crush, Beach Buggy, Hunter Assassin, or Shoot Bubble, you won't notice lag too. But if you are playing competitive games like first shooting games such as Call of Duty, PUBG, Free Fire, and the rest, you are going to notice a little bit of latency, and that is where the game mode comes in. I'm glad to announce to you that this Oraimo Boompop 2 headphones comes with game mode, which you can only switch on in the Oraimo Sound App. So you can download Oraimo Sound App and turn on the game mode, and this guy is going to switch to game mode. And if you want to switch it off, you can also use the Oraimo app to switch it off. You can't do that on the buttons on the headphone, which we'll be talking about later in the video, but you can turn it off and on in the Oraimo Sound app. But I noticed that if you are using the headphones with the cable or the auxiliary cable with it, you are going to enjoy it the more because it's going to reduce that latencies to 0. So you'll be hearing every step, bump, shot, and everything at the same time as you are playing it. So that is why I would recommend you use the wired route to play your games if you are playing first shooting games like PUBG, Call of Duty. Before we move to the other important side of this guy, let's talk quickly about the build quality and design of the Oraimo Boompop 2. The Oraimo Boompop 2 looked like the Oraimo Boompop 1 in some ways, but this time around, we know, and I know, we all know that the Oraimo Boompop 2 is better because it comes with half metal and half plastic, unlike the Oraimo Boompop 1, that everything is made from plastic. No place, I don't think, except maybe inside of it, but no place around it is metal. With all this, you are going to have an upgraded wearing experience. We are also going to be missing the LED display by the side of the Oraimo Boompop 1, which is absent in the Oraimo Boompop 2. However, we are compensated with a foldable and rotatable design, which can angle up to 180. That means you can place it on a table flat like this, or you can place it on your neck to stay flat, which looks cool. Now, I have to say this at this point that Oraimo should give us a folding bag. When next you are releasing a new headphone like this ones, please Oraimo, we need folding bag or carrying case. Yeah. Now, what about comfort? I know you guys want to know if this guy is comfortable. I have to say this, that the Oraimo Boompop 2 headphones comes with soft PU head pads, which I have no issue with. They wrap around my hair nicely and give me this passive noise cancellation. Please note that there is no active noise cancellation on this guy, just passive. That means once you put them in your ear, they are likely to cause a little kind of seal and block you from the environment. You know, you won't hear the noises from the environment when you are using this Oraimo Boompop 2. That is passive. And in case you want to know the weight of these guys here, the weight only 206 grams on a kitchen scale. With that being said, this Oraimo Boompop 2 headphones comes with increased clamping force. That means that when you put them on your head like this, you are going to feel a little bit of pressure around this cheek side because they now come with metallic headband that causes it to, have that pressure a little bit on your head. However, if you want to release it a little bit or you are new to expanding these guys up, all you have to do is to increase this headband to the maximum and place it on a box whenever you are done with it. Over time, in weeks or months, it's going to increase this guy and make them loosen up a little bit, and you are good to go. Now, let's talk about the controls of this Oraimo Boompop 2. Oraimo actually made everything simple when it comes to the controls. On the right air cups is where all the buttons are located. Starting from the first one, which is the plus button, you all know it as the volume up button, and also act as the skip forward button. In the middle is the O button, which is for pause, play, to pick or call, and to drop it. The third button, which is the minus, is for volume down or to skip to the previous track. While in the middle, you are going to see the LED indicator, followed by the Type-C port for charging it up, and the next port there is the 3.5mm audio jack for the aux cable. And you are going to see a tiny microphone hole there also. And last but not the least is the power switch of the headphones. Now, let's check into the battery life of this Oraimo Boompop 2. To be honest with you, this is where this Oraimo Boompop 2 shines the most. And to me, it now seems that Oraimo is making all of their newly released audio gadgets come with big battery life. And this is not an exception. The battery capacity of this Oraimo Boompop 2 is 500 mAh, and Oraimo claims that this guy can last you for 60 hours of playback time. During my testing, I charged up this Oraimo Boompop 2 fully, and I started using it to listen to music at 60% volume, and this guy lasted me for 68 hours, which is almost 3 days, playing music non-stop. But let's think of it. Who is going to listen to music straight for 3 days non-stop? I don't think you are going to do that. and I'm not going to do that either. Another interesting part of this Oraimo Boompop 2 is that it comes with quick charge. Oraimo claims that you can juice up this guy when they are out of power for 15 minutes and you are going to get 10 hours of playback time. During my testing, I charged up this guy when they are out of power for 15 minutes and I was able to get 9 hours, 42 minutes, playing music at 60% volume. Seriously, this is a great battery life. Before we move over to the sound quality, let me quickly tell you how this Oraimo Boompop 2 charge up, because I know some of you will be a little bit confused when it comes to charging up your Oraimo Boompop 2. So this is how it works. When you connect this Oraimo Boompop 2 to your power supply using the cable, at first you are going to see a red light that flashes once or twice. Then this will be followed up by a fading red that shows up as it charges. At some point, the fading red is going to disappear. So don't get it confused. It is still charging. So just leave it there and let it charge. After a while, it's going to come up with the fading red and you are going to see that it is showing fading red, and again, it's going to go off. Now, if you want to know if it is fully charged, the fading red is not going to come up anymore. It's going to disappear totally. And if you just stay there for about a minute, you will notice that it is not coming up. So if it is charging, you should be seeing that fading red like every 20 to 30 seconds coming up and off, like that. And once it is fully charged, it will be off completely. It won't come up again. As for the call quality of the Oraimo Boompop 2, they are very good for voice calls. So they come with environmental noise cancellation feature that gives you that crystal clear conversation when you are using them to make call. This guy works with WhatsApp call, normal voice call, or regular calls. You can also use them for your online meetings like Zoom and the rest. But one thing that I noticed about this Oraimo Boompop 2 is that when you are using the Bluetooth connection for calls, it's going to be better than when you are using the wired connection or the aux cable during calls. I just think that you should know. Now, let's talk about the sound quality of these Oraimo Boompop 2 headphones. These headphones are powered by 40mm PET drivers in them with Oraimo Avid Bass technology. To be honest with you, the sound quality of this guy straight out of the box is very, very good. I have to tell you that if you are using these headphones straight out of the box without using any EQ, you are still going to feel some bass in it. However, if you want to boost it up a little bit, you can download the Oraimo Sound App from Google Play Store or Apple App Store and tweak it up to your own taste. The Oraimo Avid Bass is very good. It opens up the bass a little bit for you so that you can feel the bass of your music and enjoy it. Straight out of the box, listening to this guy, it has much of bass with the mid very clear, while the treble is a little bit laid back. Now, if you want to boost it up to enjoy your music the more, you can use my EQ, which is showing right on the screen right now, and it is going to open up this bass to a new whole level. You are going to be hearing the bass punchy, and everything is just so good. I actually use this for listening to music like Portable, Money Before You Love, Tupac, Hit Them Up, and Bella Smoda, Philo. You can try this out and tell me what you feel in the comment section. And if you want to buy this Oraimo Boompop 2 headphones right now, please use the discount code BRACKET and you are going to get 5% discount off instantly. You can also use the discount code BRACKET to buy anything from Oraimo eShop website, be you in Ghana, Kenya, Morocco, or Nigeria. Thank you for using this discount code and thank you for watching this video. Thank you for watching other videos too. And I will see you on the next one. Please stay safe. Bye for now. Peace.